Good afternoon. Dan Moylan reporting on market movers for today, March 31st. We closed the month and the quarter today with a down session. The Dow closing down 1.84, the S&P down 1.6, and the Nasdaq just under 1%. The market suffered the worst quarterly performance since '08, with most of the contraction in March. Market moving today was the announcement by President Trump saying that another coronavirus stimulus should include up to $2 trillion for roads and bridges and other infrastructure. This, along with the announcement by Japan that they plan a record 60 trillion yen stimulus, helped offset the selling pressure from the timing of the last day of the month and quarter, which seemed to negatively impact the financial markets into the close. With the S&P closing the quarter down 20%, we had tech, consumer staples, and healthcare outperform, with all three under 14% down for the quarter. These are good sectors to be allocated in. The expectations from analysts going forward will be very negative, and expectations will be set low. An example of this was the consumer confidence report that was released today at 10 a.m. The consensus was for 110, with the prior actual being 132.6. The actual came in at 120, so it was at the top of the consensus range. So this was a good surprise. The monthly and weekly reports that are market movers will be set up this way for a while with low expectations. This will set up for a positive if we can beat these low expectations and have some positive news. It sounds like Italy may be turning the corner with lower numbers of new cases. Mitigation in New York's giving glimmers of hope. So do not be discouraged. Just stick with the coronavirus guidelines. That's it for today. Stay healthy.